Welcome to Hashmi English. Today, we will learn common tools names in English. These tools are used at home, in workshops, and on construction sites. Let's start learning English the smart way. This is a hammer. A hammer is used to hit nails into wood. This is a screwdriver. A screwdriver is used to tighten or loosen screws. These are pliers. Pliers are used to grip, bend, or cut wires. This is a wrench. A wrench is used to tighten or loosen nuts and bolts. This is a spanner. A spanner is used to turn bolts and nuts. This is a saw. A saw is used to cut wood. This is a chisel. A chisel is used to carve wood or stone. This is a file. A file is used to smooth rough surfaces. This is a measuring tape. It is used to measure length or distance. This is a ruler. A ruler is used to draw straight lines. This is a spirit level. It is used to check if a surface is straight. This is a marker. A marker is used to mark measurements. This is an electric drill. It is used to make holes in wood or metal. This is an angle grinder. It is used to cut metal or polish surfaces. This is a circular saw. It is used to cut wood quickly. This is a sander. A sander is used to smooth wooden surfaces. This is a nail. A nail is used to join wood. This is a screw. A screw holds things tightly together. These are nuts and bolts. They are used to fix heavy objects. This is a clamp. A clamp holds things firmly in place. These are safety gloves. They protect your hands. This is a safety helmet. It protects your head. These are safety goggles. They protect your eyes. Now you know common tools names in English. Keep practicing and keep learning with Hashmi English. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.